past week, I've had a couple of different sessions with clients in which the dynamic of people laughing when it's not really a funny topic or it's not a humorous situation that's happening. And I know people say, yeah, I laugh when I'm uncomfortable. But let's dig a little bit deeper in regards to that. Because if a sensitive incident has taken place or there's a sensitive topic that's being discussed, that sensitivity of it really brings up issues of being vulnerable. That is about allowing people into your personal emotional world. And that feels very threatening. And it's hard to do that, especially in certain situations where you may be around people you don't know that well. So, the automatic defense for many people is to laugh about it. And by laughing about it, you send the signal to everybody else that this isn't that serious. It's not that sensitive of a topic. It is not a reason for them to look at you with concern or pity or sympathy. You don't want to be the object of their pity. So you deflect by laughing so that people don't think, poor her, poor him. That really sucks. I'm happy I'm not them though. Laughing serves to protect you, to protect those deeper emotions in you that you don't feel safe to share in the current environment. There's nothing wrong with it unless you've gotten so used to laughing at these sensitive topics that you've completely disconnected with when it is okay to be vulnerable.